everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. If this is your first time watching our videos, we'd like you to subscribe, click that button, subscribe, because we show you valuable information that can help you with your hair, your overall body, and life in general. So today I am showing you something that I've been taking, and this is it. I said I will, if I ever take something that will help me with my hair, that will help me with my skin, will help me with anything in my life, I'm going to share it with you. And I'm confident enough. When I mean confident, I mean 100% confident enough to show you this product. Today, I'm coming to you with this product. This is the Nutrixen Multi Collagen Protein. Now, you might all say, wait, what is collagen? Well, collagen is known as the what holds everything together. It's the glue that holds everything together when it comes to your body. Now, collagen is a protein that actually you have it in your body, but the thing is that as you get older, it depletes, it breaks down, you don't have as much of it, and that is why you have issues like joint pains, bone issues, your hair thinning, your skin wrinkling, and so many other stuff. Now, there are different kind of collagens. Like this one that I got, I've tried another brand of collagen, and that one didn't hold power to this one. The reason being that there are 28 different types of collagens, and most of the collagens that you get in the market, they are either type 1, 3, but this actually has collagen type 1, 2, 3, 5, and 10. It's a 5-type collagen ingredient product. Now, this is the thing with bulk collagen that you guys have to know. With collagen, as you get older, remember I was saying as you get older, everything breaks down. You might, even as a woman, you might start to feel some changes and some issues, and you might start to feel some thinning of your hair. You might feel some bone and joint pains. I lift weights and I go to the gym every time, and I will tell you that every time I always have pains and stuff. So when I was introduced to collagen and I started taking it, within 1 month, I had changes occurring in my body. My joints don't ache as much. My hair, it became more fuller. It wasn't shedding. It wasn't like coming out a lot. It felt stronger. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I take collagen, and also I want to let you know that this company that sponsored this video, they actually are also giving me coupon codes for you guys to try out collagen. So look in the description area below to see the coupon code to buy this, so that we can all be in this journey together, improving our overall body, improving our health. When I take this first thing in the morning with some warm water. This powder actually dissolves better in warm water, and even if you're gonna drink it cool, add some ice to it. So I use 1 scoop of the powder in my mixture, and you can see you can use it up to 3 times daily, and you can mix it in your shakes, in your meals, in your coffee, in your smoothie, and it dissolves really quickly. So I'm sure you're wondering what it tastes like. To me, it's almost tasteless. It reminds me of drinking broth, unsalted broth, and I do like it. Make my hair mask, and this is actually like a hair pre-poo or treatment. I take 1 tablespoon of the collagen, 2 tablespoons of almond oil. This is my almond oil. Now, some people would use coconut oil, but I find that coconut oil doesn't work for a lot of people. I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of that. Lastly, I'll take 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now, I find that when you use collagen and you take it internally, that is the best way to get results. When I use it externally for a mask, I use this once a month as my protein treatment. So this works great because this is hydrolyzed collagen, so it actually penetrates through your hair shaft and it just doesn't sit on the cuticles. So all you do is just mix it really well, and we're going to start applying it to the hair next. So I did transfer my mixture into an applicator bottle just because it's very liquidy and I don't want it to spill. And I'm applying it directly to my scalp. Okay, massaging it into my scalp. And then I'm going to take a small amount of it and just apply it starting from the ends of my hair. I'm applying it to the length of my hair. So you can even see how full my hair is. Look at that. So now that I've finished applying it all over my hair, I just take a plastic bag and I'm going to cover my hair and keep it covered for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, I will be washing my hair. You just do your regular wash day, shampoo, deep condition, and moisturize your hair, and you're good to go. Yeah, so don't forget to check out the description area for information on how you can get your discount on this product. This product, I like it because it has 5 different collagens versus the 2 that other collagens have. So this has been great, helpful for my health, for my skin, and everything in general. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.